Welcome back to the channel, where great design proves that size and budget never limit style. Today, we're exploring tiny, affordable, minimalist farmhouse ideas that feel like $1 million. This is about smart architecture, how thoughtful layouts, material choices, and proportions can turn a modest farmhouse into a warm, elegant home. If you love cozy spaces, timeless rural character, and modern simplicity without overspending, this video is designed to inspire your next dream project. Minimalist farmhouse design blends rural charm with clean, modern lines. By reducing visual clutter, every detail becomes intentional and valuable. Simple roof lines, open interiors, and neutral palettes help tiny homes feel calm and sophisticated. This design approach is budget-friendly because it avoids excess decoration while still delivering character. The result is a farmhouse that feels refined, balanced, and far more expensive than it actually is. In tiny farmhouse homes, layout is everything. Open-plan living areas eliminate unnecessary walls, allowing light and movement to flow freely. Combining kitchen, dining, and living spaces creates flexibility and visual spaciousness. Thoughtful zoning, using furniture, rugs, or ceiling treatments, defines areas without closing them off. With smart planning, even a compact floor plan can feel generous, functional, and beautifully organized. Luxury is not about price, it's about perception. Affordable materials like engineered wood, polished concrete, and fiber cement boards can deliver a high-end farmhouse aesthetic. Painted shiplap alternatives, laminate flooring with wood textures, and simple ceramic tiles offer durability and beauty on a budget. When these materials are used consistently and with restraint, the home feels cohesive, timeless, and quietly luxurious. Color plays a powerful role in making small spaces feel elegant. Soft whites, warm beiges, gentle grays, and muted earth tones reflect light and visually expand interiors. These shades also highlight natural textures like wood and linen, essential elements of farmhouse style. A calm neutral palette creates a sense of serenity and sophistication that instantly elevates even the most affordable tiny home. One of the most luxurious elements in any home is natural light, and it's completely free. Large windows, glass doors, and clear-story openings make tiny farmhouses feel open and connected to nature. Light-filled interiors appear larger, cleaner, and more welcoming. Strategic window placement also improves ventilation, reduces energy costs, and adds architectural drama without increasing construction budgets. Small details create big impact. Exposed beams, sliding barn doors, open shelving, and black metal accents instantly communicate farmhouse character. These elements are often inexpensive yet visually striking. When used sparingly, they add warmth and authenticity without overwhelming the space. The key is balance. Each detail should support the minimalist vision rather than compete for attention. In tiny farmhouse homes, furniture must work harder. Built-in benches with storage, fold-down tables, and multifunctional kitchen islands maximize usability without adding clutter. Custom-looking solutions can often be achieved with simple carpentry and smart design. By choosing pieces that serve multiple purposes, the home feels efficient, spacious, and intentionally designed, another hallmark of luxury living. A tiny farmhouse feels larger when it connects seamlessly to the outdoors. Covered porches, small decks, and garden patios extend living space without expensive additions. Simple outdoor seating, natural landscaping, and warm lighting enhance the farmhouse atmosphere. These transitional spaces blur the line between inside and outside, creating a lifestyle that feels expansive, relaxed, and truly high-end. Tiny, affordable, minimalist farmhouse design proves that luxury is not about size or cost. It's about thoughtful architecture. With smart layouts, natural light, honest materials, and intentional details, a small home can feel elegant, timeless, and welcoming. If you dream of a farmhouse that feels like $1,000,000 without breaking the budget, these ideas show that great design always starts with creativity, not money.